Hello everybody, this is Samar Thapa aka Sam. So about a year ago I have posted a video called face recognition system for attendance, student attendance. Here I have used Flask, Firebase and OpenCV. So initially, in this video, I have just shown like what are the functionality of this face recognition system, how does it work, and how you can add a different people from within the web application, like and a basic crude application, and this is admin panel, and you can just add and delete different information of the student, so you can see the attendance from inside the admin. You can add them, and you can again test them, right, and everything. So initially I thought like this wasn't that hard, or like this wasn't that um complex to set up and to start. So I've just written a simple readme file over here, and I basically showed like uh, how you can get started with these steps. But I think I got a lot of email and messages and comments in my videos how a lot of people were having problem with setting up Firebase and everything. So in this video I'll just show how you can just set up your Firebase, and how you can run this web application in your machine, or you can host anywhere you want. So we will be starting by cloning our repository in our local machine. So I just copied it, and I have a new folder. I'll be doing the git bash over here. Yeah, so I'll be pasting it. I'm cloning it, so I've cloned it over here. I'll open it in my Visual Studio Code. So yeah, this is our web application, and you can see all the files and codes are here. I have simplified this little bit and added and deleted few of the lines. So next step in our installation will be installing the requirement.txt file. I have already done that because I was testing how it will work out. And if you have any problem, you can just do a Google search, and I think it will be able to fix your problem. Next will be our setting up our Firebase account. Let's quickly do that. So let's do this face recognition, continue, and select our profile. So while this is going on, like the project is setting up, we'll just look down what is our next step. So the next step will be our downloading the credentials from the Firebase to connect our web application database and the bucket. So basically, we need this for our database, and for bucket is that for storing our images. For our database, for the information will be using real-time database, and for our images will be using the storage account in Firebase. Yeah, this is being ready. So you can see here a file called service account key.json. So you can just download it from the Firebase itself, and this is just for a placeholder. I'll just download it for my machine. So this will from here we will be able to generate a new private key. This is the code which I will have to add to our file. I'm using Python, so Python. This is the code I have here, and I'll be generating a new key, generate key, and I'll be saving as a service account key. So save. Yes, it's already exists, so we'll be overriding it. After that, let's see the README file. So we'll be creating the real-time database. For that, we'll just go over here, and real-time database, create database, next, enable. So this link is the important one. We have to paste it in like 3 different files. Let me just quickly copy it, and we'll just go over here in our readme file. So it says like we have to paste it in database URL. This is a placeholder for that, and there are like 3 different files. We have to do it initially for to run the project. So one is this, and another 2 are for the miscellaneous files, database URL, and another is over here, database URL. So yeah, after pasting all the database URL in our files, we'll be starting the initial database Python file, and if you have downloaded the service key correctly and place the database URL over here, it will be running smoothly. Let's go over here and check if it has populated the real-time database. Yeah, you can see here like it has a student table like database, and another table within there, and within that you have all the information you have sent to the Firebase. And let's see the next one. We have done this. We have checked if it has been populated or not. And the next one will be like creating a normal storage bucket in the Firebase. And for that also we'll be needing our storage bucket URL. Let's again go to all products, storage, and get started. Next, done. It might take some time for this, depending on your Wi-Fi connection and everything. Let's see. Let's go over here, and same like before. If we after the bucket has been created, we'll be copying this URL and we'll be pasting it in these two files, and we'll be running it. The initial encoder file will take the image, and it will store in the bucket, and after that it will again take the image and it will encode it for our face recognition system, and it will also develop a encoding pickle file. We'll be doing that in few steps. So yeah, after getting this URL, we'll be just copying it and we'll just paste it over here, and I'm removing the first 5 letters. I'm doing same over here. So yeah, so if I run the initial encoder right now, and if everything goes well, I'll just run it. So it has sent the file to the database. I'll just refresh it, and it has encoded and encoded ended, and there is an encoded file. Let's see the image over here. This is in the PNG format. Another thing you have to be careful about, the file which you are sending should be in the PNG format. And yeah, I don't know. This must be some kind of requirement or some kind of bug. Like I tried with JPEG file, but it didn't work properly. So I did some debugging and found the PNG format is working perfectly. So I'm just using that. So after all this, like the pickle file has been created for the face recognition system and everything, we can just run the web app.py script, and let's see how it runs. Like we have to put this credentials over here also. Let me just run that. So I'm just copying the URL over here, and I'll be just running it in a private browser. This is like a bit slow, a bit janky. Like this was my first project, to be honest. Yeah, this is me. So it has already the picture which I sent was me, and I have already like it has already detected me. So let's see the attendance list. So yeah, now it has given all the attendance like my major total attendance, how much attendance this year, time elapsed, like how much time has passed, my attendance has been taken, and everything. The details are over here. So if I go home and do the for a student and go over here and just log in over here, yeah. You can see like everything is working perfectly as shown in my previous video. You can see the details over here and everything, and here you can edit anything. I'll just log out and log in as admin. So if I go over here and if I do this and if I log in, the admin section will be over here, and you can see the student enrolled for that year. And if I go, this is the dashboard, and if you want you can see the student attendance list, and this is for the attendance record. like uh, like you can clear the student attendance list while the student can see, and you can clear this attendance also from here only. Let me add another one of my friend and show you a quick demo. 224 someone Casey. Yes, someone Casey. Gmail. Phone number random. Birthday. Something random. Perry, Canada. Major. Data analytics. Study 2022. Second year. Very good. Total attendance. Let's do like 4. And last attendance will be yesterday. 11. 31. And any notes, and choose file. As I told you, like it usually take the png file. This is the file, the png file, and this corresponds uh, to the id number. So if I do submit, it will get submitted. And if I go to dashboard, you can see him over here. So if I take an image of his and try to uh, log him, like try to test the model. Let's see if it's working correctly or no. So it will see me, and it will again, like I have changed the time a little bit. So you can adjust the time according to your need, and for the testing purpose I did this. So I'll be showing my friend's picture. Yeah. Now the model has recognized him and marked active, and yeah, when I saw his face up more, and it will say marked again. If I go to attendance list, it will show like two different, like two attendance. And if I go to student and log, okay. If I log in, then yeah, I can see his profile over here. So yeah, this is the project is- mm, project project initiation steps and everything. Like I think like now most of the people will not be having any problem. The only thing, right, like this web application is not good at is like I have always also pointed over here. It's not secure, like the links and routes are not secure. I tried different possible ways, like logging required, and making my own middleware and everything, but using Firebase application authentication app, but it wasn't working for me. Like if you guys want, you can just add that functionality. And another thing is, like, right now you saw like if it works with a picture also, so it's not that secure. But this is the a model for testing purposes only. But there is another model which you can use for the real faces. It doesn't work with the images. So if you want to really add that, you can also do this from here. Yeah, that's it for me. Thank you so much.